Hi, my name is Marcin. I will not bore you with a lengthy introduction. Let's just get right into it. A correct singing technique consists in reality of not that many components. The difficulty lays in tricking your body into doing something it doesn't know how to do. Or rather, it knows how to do it, but is not in the habit of doing that. Why do I say that you have to trick it? Well, think of it that way. If I was a fitness coach, I could show you what muscles to contract. I could put you in front of a mirror and make you mirror my movements, right? I could touch the muscles you have to contract. I cannot touch the muscles in your vocal tract. I cannot show you them. So obviously it's not that clear what you have to do for you, what you have to do. But make no mistake, these are muscles, and like all muscles, they can be trained and conditioned. To achieve that, we'll be doing a set of specific exercises designed to train one of 4 components of a strong and healthy voice. These components are abdominal breathing. To achieve that, we'll be using a set of specific exercises designed to train one of 4 components of a strong and healthy voice. These components are abdominal breathing, diaphragmatic support, the open throat technique, and the compression of the vocal cords. In each segment, I will explain in detail all of the concepts discussed. Then you will see me in a demonstration applying my own advice as if I was a student training right alongside with you. And then you will get a set of blank scales with my commentary so that you can train on your own. Okay? So let's do it.